We're on Van Dyke at 10 Mile Road. And I'm going to go check out the construction over here on 10 Mile. Looks like a big mess. And I'm in the coming into Warren, which of course there's some police coming here. It's a complete mess here. Or Centerline police. What happened to Centerline? Down to 2 lanes on 10 Mile Road. Want to be on this road in rush hour, that's for sure. Or pretty much any other time, actually. Tunnels has always reminded me of barracks. There on the right. Man, rough road. Where's our tax dollars going? Boy, they are fixing it though, but still, it's long overdue. It's ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Renzi Rest. That's a good restaurant there. Good Italian restaurant. Reasonable prices too. Free advertising. March 21st, 2025, by the way. And it's 55 degrees. It's crazy. This is Hoover Road. All right, well, there's the construction update. And, just a quick video for 10 Mile Road. This is Warren, Michigan now. Here comes another emergency vehicle, of course.